Hey Josh, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Doing well.
Good. Good. I had a couple of questions regarding two things regarding text, and then I guess the second thing I want to address is my when I try to plot the PDF, my it says it's out of space. I guess it's just my plots aren't coming up for some reason. Um, but firstly, I guess the text thing, like with column lines and then room names and stuff. Is there an option to the column lines, you'll have the number and then that circle around it.
hmm
Is there a way to make that one item, or is it going to be separate, just circle and then text, and you have to kind of deal with two items the entire time?
Well, so it depends. If you're talking about importing a background, a DWG that contains column lines,
Okay,
those are going to import the way that they exist, the way they were created in the DWG.
okay,
Um, Now, having said that, let's say you don't like that. You certainly have the ability to recreate column lines in AutoSPRINK where they are a single element.
oh, perfect.
So you can manually draw in column lines, and again, you can specify,
That's awesome. Okay,
yeah, and then you can obviously change the bubble position, shape, as well as the line style. But there are some limitations. Obviously, AutoSprink, we've only got 4 different line styles.
that's fine.
Dash dot usually works pretty well. So we do have a column line tool, so you could redraw them if you wanted to. Now that's
That's
totally up to you. We also do have a column grid wizard. So if your
okay.
building has kind of a typical, somewhat typical column line layout, you can use this column line or this column grid wizard
Okay,
to basically kind of automatically recreate your column lines as well as placing columns. And
gotcha.
then
Okay,
obviously you have the ability to adjust if certain bays are a little bit shorter or a little bit larger than other bays. You have the ability to adjust certain, column bays.
gotcha. Okay, yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, that answered my question there.